how to set birthday notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon or settings. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. Here in notifications and what notifications you receive. Okay, you can see here the birthday. Okay, you can tap this to set. And now you can allow or disallow this birthday notification on your Facebook by switching on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So okay, for example, I turn off this. Okay, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button and the pop-up below are show. Okay, tap the turn off button to turn off the birthday notification on Facebook. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And if this turn on, okay, you can enable also the where you receive this notification, the push, email, and SMS. So you can enable or disable this by switching on or off the switch button on the right side. So for my example, I turn off the push by switching off the switch button on the right side, and I turn on the email, and I turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set birthdays notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.